Hello you two, I hope you're all well. Today we're going to be doing some pirate maths problems and I hope you're all geared up and ready to do some maths today. You will need a pen and a paper and your mathematical brain ready for today's tasks. We've got 5 problems. I'm going to talk you through each one of them and you give it your best go and perhaps you could even show your grown-up your work when you've finished. Let's have a look. Here we go. So yo ho, it's a pirate math for me. Solve these pirate problems. Let's go. I know you can all do this one. Right, the first pirate task. Add together the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is the total? Can you find a quick way to do this? We've got a pirate clue here. You could use your number bonds 10 to quickly add 2 numbers. So what numbers there do you think might add up to 10? You can write those down first and then add the next number that you can choose from the list. If you're going to have a good think about this one, you might want to pause the screen and then play me again when you're ready to go on to the next question. Iris has 28 pence. How could she spend it? How many different ways can you find? Well, if I add 6 pence, add 3 pence, add 5 pence, it equals 14 pence. Oh no, that's not enough. We need 28 pence. What could we try now? Have a little think. Have you got it? Yes, we could add 2 objects. So we might start with trying to add 2 swords. 6 pence, add 6 pence, add 3 pence, add 5 pence. If I do 6 add 6, that's 12. Add another 3, that's 15. Add 5, that's 20. That's still not enough. That's only 20 pence. So I need to add something else to try and get to 28 pence. Keep adding objects until you get to 28 pence. But I'm going to put in a challenge. How many ways can you find to make 28 pence? So would it be 3 swords, a hook and a compass, or 5 compasses and 1 hook? You tell me, or you write down how many different ways you can find to make 28 pence. Your brain's going to have to do some really hard thinking. Have you done that? Pause me so you can have a bit of a go at it. Then play the presentation again when you're ready to move on to my next problem. Here we go. 14 coins are found in a treasure chest. Bernie found 6 and Aisha found 5. How many coins did Basil find? So we know how to do, we think of the numbers that we've got. We know we need 14 altogether. Bernie has 6. Aisha has 5. How many did Basil find? You can see the question mark there. I'm going to help you a little bit with this one. Pirate clue. You need to write 2 equations to solve the problem. Each equation uses a different operation. Now, if we're thinking about operation, it means an add, a subtract, a multiplication, or a division. You've got to choose. I'll put the question marks there of which operation you're going to need. So you're going to need to do one thing first and then something else to find the answer. But I've been even kinder. And I've put another clue. The answer that you have in the first box at the end will go in this middle box for the second equation. That gives you a bit of a clue there. So pause me again. Have a good think. Have a go. Ask a grown-up if you need some help. Use your fingers to count on or count back. There's a bit of a clue. Biggest number in your head. Are you ready? Once you've done that, we're going to carry on to our next problem. Find as many ways as you can of adding 3 even numbers together to make a total of 14. Well, all of those numbers there are even, but you've got to add 3 numbers together to make a total of 14. You can use each number more than once, but you can only use 3 of those numbers. So for example, you can't have 10 and 4. We know that's 14, but you've only used 2 of the numbers in the box. However, you could use 10, add 6, add 2, add 2, because there's 3 different numbers there, but I've used 1 more than once. It still doesn't make 14. That was a trick. Have a think. Write them all down. And lastly, you can only buy one colour of parrot at a time. So the red one is 1 pence, the orange bird is 2 pence, yellow bird is 3 pence, the green parrot is 4 pence, the blue parrot is 5 pence, and the purple parrot is 8 pence. Which parrots can you buy for exactly 15 pence, and how many can you buy? Challenge. How many ways can you make the 15 pence? Only buying one of each parrot. So you can only use one number in each equation. Write them down. Now, I know these maths today is going to really make your brain start thinking hard. Have a go. How many ways did you find? I hope you really enjoy it. And if you're stuck, ask somebody in your family to help you. Have fun, everybody.